everything's on free play still. We ask for a donation at the door to help Dwayne and Debbie and I cover our costs on stuff. And let's see, today is Jerry's birthday. And yesterday was Emily's birthday.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I want to give a big shout out to Dave, Dwayne, and Debbie for putting this event on. Had a great time. This was actually my first time getting to play on a lot of those different EM machines. So again, thanks for opening the doors for everybody to come in and play. And if you guys are watching this video and you haven't shown up to an event yet, as you can tell, everybody's really warm and friendly and they make you feel right at home. I'm pretty new to the club as well, and both my wife and I have had a fantastic time. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you on the next one.